You just found the 2020 Land Rover Range Rover. With less than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This distinctive Range Rover delivers legendary off-road capability and stunning luxury. Elegant, powerful, richly appointed, and exquisitely modern in every way, it takes you to the pinnacle in royal style. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, panoramic roof, keyless entry, moonroof, navigation system, satellite radio, premium sound system, fog lamps, backup camera. Don't miss the chance to drive this powerful and sumptuously appointed Range Rover. Our team will give you an outstanding road test experience. Stop in today.